Hi everyone, this is Hasib with you. In this video we will discuss about involuntary loss of employment scheme. What is this scheme, what law covers it, and what are benefits under it, and how you can register for this. At start of 2023 this scheme was introduced, that is called Involuntary Loss of Employment Scheme. The law that covers this scheme, that is Federal Decree Law number 13 of 2023. Under this scheme, you will be compensated if you lose your job other than those disciplinary action or you resign. You will be compensated up to 60% of your average basic salary prior to the loss of employment. And you must have been paying for at least 12 consecutive months to get benefit from this scheme. Now let's discuss who need to register under this scheme. So just scroll down on this website. Emiratis and Residents working in the federal government and private sectors. So all these employees have to register for this scheme. Exempted categories. These are the categories that are exempted. Previously, free zone employees were also part of this exempt category, but now they are removed from here, and now free zone employees are also required to register for this scheme. There are two categories, or you can say two plans for this scheme. Category A, where your basic salary is 16,000 or below. So you have to pay 5 dirham per month plus VAT, or you can say 60 dirham for an year plus VAT. So total you have to pay 63 dirham. So you can get cash compensation benefit up to 10,000 dirham per month. So you can submit up to 3 months per claim. In category B, if your basic salary is above 16,000, you have to pay 10 dirham per month plus VAT. Compensation can be up to 20,000 dirham per month. These are the benefits under this scheme. These are clearly mentioned on this website. You cannot pay for a month, so you have to pay for a whole year or 2 years. You cannot pay monthly. So how you can pay for it? There are different channels available for subscription. You can pay from this website, that is ILOE. You can pay from their mobile app. Other channels available, Al-Ansari Exchange, but currently Al-Ansari Exchange is not accepting application for free zone employees. Maybe in future they start accepting. Business center and telecommunication companies are also there. So there are multiple ways to pay for this scheme. How to register for this scheme? To register you need to visit this website iloe.ae. Read this instruction, then click on subscribe here. You can read this instruction too. Subscribe here. If you are a private employee or federal government employee, you have to choose out of these two sectors. Otherwise, if you are a free zone employee, then you have to choose non-registered in More. There are two ways to log in. OTP based, you have to enter your Emiratis ID or UID mobile number, then you will receive an OTP, then you can log in. Otherwise, you can create your account and then sign in. I will go with OTP option. Enter your data and click request OTP. Then there is a very short form you have to fill this. These are just your personal details. Then you have to attach your Emirates ID, work visa or resident visa, any one of these. Then I confirm my personal details are correct and click OK. Then you will land at this page. Confirm that your personal details are correct. You can pay for 1 year or 2 years, and you have to pay for full year. You cannot pay in months. If you fall in category A, you have to pay 60 plus VAT. If you are in category B, you have to pay 120 plus VAT. Accept terms and conditions and click pay now. Enter your email ID so your insurance certificate could be sent to that. So enter your card details and click pay. So if your payment is successful, your certificate will be downloaded automatically and this will turn green.